This is section 4.5. This is number 35. It's domain. So to do the domain of a fraction, you cannot divide by 0. So what you want to do is you want to set the bottom equal to 0 and then throw that away. So I'm actually going to solve this. So I'm going to move the 3 to the other side. Okay, so x cannot be 3/5, right? You cannot divide by 0. So for the domain of this, there's a couple ways to write it. You can say x cannot be 3/5. Just if you write it this way, you must say not equal. If you don't write the not equal, then it's you're saying the exact opposite. All right, so one way to write is that, or you could say all real numbers except 3/5. Or if you guys want, you can do the fancy notation for this. Okay, so that's the answer to 35. You can write it as fancy or as simple as you want, as long as you just have the right answer. We're good. All right, let's try this again. So if you have a fraction, you can't divide by 0. So we're trying to say that this cannot be 0. And what value of x would do that? So then you go ahead and solve it. So we'll move the 4 to the other side. We'll divide off the 3. So x here cannot be -4/3. So like what I did before, you can just write it just like that, as long as you have the not equal. Or you can say it in words. Or you could do that fancy notation. Okay, gang, so that's it. That's the basic rule you want to remember. If you have a fraction, you cannot divide by 0. It doesn't matter what's in the numerator. It's the denominator you're going to focus on. Okay, that's the end of these two questions. Bye-bye.